Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome to the Shri Krishna Astrology Advices channel. We pray to God that the grace of God be with you forever. Please note that the horoscope prediction has based on Hindu Vedic astrology. In this horoscope video you will know about that this month business, job, marital life, children, love, education, and health. You will know this month's remedies and dates where you need to be careful. Let's know about the planets transit into February 2021. Lord Sun. In the beginning of this month Lord Sun will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 12 February, Lord Sun will enter in the Aquarius zodiac sign. Lord Mars. In this month, Lord Mars will transit in Aries zodiac sign. On 22 February, Lord Mars will enter in Taurus zodiac sign. Lord Mercury. In the beginning of this month Lord Mercury will transit in Aquarius zodiac sign. On 3 February, Lord Mercury will go to Astha Avastha. On 4 February, retrograde Lord Mercury will enter in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 14 February, Lord Mercury will rise. On 21 February, Lord Mercury will direct. Lord Jupiter. In this month Lord Jupiter will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 13 February, Lord Jupiter will rise. Lord Venus. This month Lord Venus will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 17 February, Lord Venus will go to Astha Avastha. On 21 February, Lord Venus will enter in the Aquarius zodiac sign. Lord Saturn. In this month, Lord Saturn will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 11 February, Lord Saturn will rise. Lord Rahu. In this month, Lord Rahu will transit in Taurus zodiac sign. Lord Ketu. In this month, Lord Ketu will transit in Scorpio zodiac sign. Please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to receive notification of upcoming videos. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. Sagittarius horoscope of February 2021. For the business, there will be uncertainties in your business life and you will look for better opportunities to overcome this unpredictability. You will take professional help to make your business working smooth and exciting. You will not have a surplus to make any big investments but will be able to pay your loans and debts to some extent. This month will be good for financial stability. Those who were facing stagnancy in your business in the past will see a growth and movement, since this month is all about going with a free flowing spirit, keeping all the setbacks aside and creating a new perspective in anything and everything you are aiming for. For the job, the things will go well at the work front during this time. You will be energetic, motivated and action oriented. You will work with full force on a targeted plan and accomplish the same with favorable results. You will be high in spirits and will use all your wisdom, confidence and techniques for better productivity and profitability. This month is favorable for starting something fresh or finding a new job, however it will only demand some of your extra energy and determination. Marital life and children. Married couples will face some stagnancy in their relationship. You will be so occupied with your work and family commitments that you will not be able to spend quality time with your spouse, so you both will miss that affection and intimacy during this month. The second week of this month, which may cause some communication lapses with your wife, you are advised to draw out some time for each other in order to get back smoothness in your relationship. You will feel happiness from the children's side. Your children will perform well in their academics, making you feel thrilled. On the flip side, natives whose children are of marriageable age will find the perfect partner for their child. Lovers. This month is expected to be good for matters related to love and romance. Some single natives may establish new relationship. A new relationship will add new vigor and enthusiasm to your love life. Students or education. The students will have a good time with great focus and confidence during this period. Health. You may suffer some allergies, seasonal cold, cough or throat ache. Take good care of yourself during this time. You may suffer from problems related to eyes during this month. Refrain from using a laptop, mobile and other electronic gadgets excessively, as they can put a strain on your eyes. Additionally, you have to make positive changes in your daily routine. Sleeping, waking and eating etc. on time. Periodically get your full body checked up and then show the report to a good doctor or dietitian and take a nutritious diet based on that. Dates where you need to be careful: 6, 7, 10, 11, 15, 16, 24, 25 and 26. Remedies. Chant the mantras of Lord Jupiter and Lord Ketu. Donate money or food items to needy people. For the knowledge of planets' mantras and more information, please visit our website www.astrologyadvices.com. For the astrology consultation, horoscope counseling, horoscope matching, and making of the horoscope, you can call us or WhatsApp us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. Best wishes to you and your whole family on Basant Panchami. This month brings a lot of happiness, prosperity for you, and we pray to God that all your sorrow will go away. You can contact us for astrology counseling, guidance of children education, career guidance, business related problems, health related problems, marriage, love related problems, Vastu, and horoscope matching. Monday to Saturday from 10 am to 6 pm. You can call us, WhatsApp and email us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Email astrologyadvices@gmail.com. Our motto is your success. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.